Hello, my lovely friends. You're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright, guys, check below. You see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and join this amazing family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you an anti-aging hand mask. Gonna make your hands look younger. I'll recommend you follow me on the step-by-step journey. I'm gonna be telling you the benefits of this hand mask and also how to massage it into your skin to get the amazing result. So be patient and follow me on this step-by-step illustration, and I tell you that your time will be worthwhile.
First, I have here with me egg. It is stated that egg whites contain vitamins and mineral and can benefit the skin overall appearance and also help you look younger than your age. Egg yolk is also very rich in protein, but for this video I'm going to be using just the egg whites because I personally can't stand the smell of egg yolk, so I don't use it. But you can add it together with both the egg yolk, and it's because egg yolk is very proteinous and it's also very good for anti-aging. Or if you like, you can use just the egg yolk. Next thing I have with me is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a natural exfoliant that will help exfoliate all the dead skin cells and generate new layers of your skin that will make you look younger. Honey is a great natural anti-aging skincare product. It is able to attract and retain moisture and rebuild the moisture level in the skin without making it oily. Honey provides a calming effect without irritating the skin and helps replenish necessary skin moisture, especially during winter months, and also helps in making your skin look younger. You're gonna go ahead and mix this very well and make sure all three ingredients are well mixed together. Then you go ahead and apply and massage it into your skin, and also focus on the area where there are wrinkles. Massage it, make sure you massage it so that it sinks into your skin. Ta-da! I finished rinsing off my hands. You can see how fresh it's looking, like that of a baby. Just compare the both hands. You can see how the wrinkle, how this other side is looking rough, although I'm still young, I don't have wrinkles on my hand. So you can see this other side, how smooth it's looking. So guys, I tell you, this works wonders. Just try it and let me know on the comment section how it worked for you. So guys, you're gonna go ahead and do this for like a week. I'm sure within a week you should notice visible difference. And also try to always moisturize your hands with a good moisturizer, be it coconut oil, Vaseline, or shea butter. I tell you, you are gonna look even younger than your age.
Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video, hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful.